Welcome to a journey that could transform the way you approach online earnings forever. In the digital age, where every click, every interaction holds potential revenue, harnessing the power of artificial intelligence becomes not just an advantage, but a necessity. Imagine having an intelligent ally at your side, tirelessly analyzing data, predicting trends, and optimizing your strategies, all with the singular goal of maximizing your online earnings. In this video, we unlock the vault of AI's secrets and provide you with a comprehensive guide to wield its immense potential. From deciphering complex algorithms to real-world applications, we'll walk you through every step, equipping you with the knowledge and tools needed to thrive in the dynamic world of online earnings. Prepare to witness a transformation, your online earnings, supercharged by the limitless capabilities of AI. Welcome to Maximizing Earnings with AI, a detailed walkthrough. Let's embark on this extraordinary journey together. In the modern digital landscape, maximizing online earnings has become a paramount goal for businesses and content creators alike. Artificial intelligence, AI, has emerged as a powerful ally in achieving this objective. But what exactly are AI tools in the context of online earnings? AI tools for online earnings encompass a diverse range of technologies and algorithms designed to analyze, predict, and optimize various aspects of online businesses. These tools leverage the computational power of AI to sift through vast datasets, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions. They can assist in various aspects of online earnings, including content recommendation, personalized marketing, pricing optimization, and customer support automation. AI tools are not limited to large corporations. They are increasingly accessible to individuals and small businesses, making it possible for anyone to harness their potential. This video will delve into the world of AI tools, explaining their key concepts and showcasing their applicability in the realm of online earnings. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how AI can be a game-changer in optimizing your online revenue streams. The pursuit of maximizing online earnings has led to the integration of artificial intelligence tools, which offer a systematic approach to achieving this goal. In this step-by-step guide, we'll walk you through how to effectively utilize these AI tools to optimize your online revenue streams. Begin by clearly defining your online earnings objectives. Whether it's boosting website traffic, increasing conversion rates, or enhancing customer engagement, knowing your goals is crucial. There's a wide array of AI tools available, each tailored to specific tasks. Choose tools that align with your goals. For instance, if you aim to enhance customer recommendations, consider using AI-powered recommendation engines. AI relies heavily on data. Collect and organize relevant data, ensuring it's clean and ready for analysis. This may include customer behavior data, website analytics, or sales records. Implement AI algorithms to analyze your data. Machine learning algorithms can identify patterns, predict future trends, and recommend actions to optimize your online strategies. AI is dynamic. Regularly monitor your AI-driven processes, evaluate their performance, and make necessary adjustments to improve outcomes. Conduct A/B tests to compare AI-optimized strategies with previous approaches. This helps measure the effectiveness of AI in maximizing your online earnings. As you witness the benefits of AI, consider scaling up its use across various aspects of your online presence. By following these steps, you'll gain a practical understanding of how AI tools can be harnessed to maximize your online earnings effectively, irrespective of your business size or industry. In the realm of maximizing online earnings with AI, data is the bedrock upon which all strategies and insights are built. This third point explores the critical process of data collection and preparation, highlighting its pivotal role in the AI-driven journey to optimization. Start by identifying the sources of data relevant to your online business. This may include customer interactions, website traffic, sales records, social media engagement, and more. The richness of your data sources can significantly impact the effectiveness of AI analysis. High-quality data is paramount. Ensure that your data is accurate, consistent, and up-to-date. Data cleaning and validation processes help eliminate errors and anomalies that could mislead AI algorithms. Centralize your data sources to create a comprehensive data set. Integration allows for a holistic view of your online operations and facilitates more accurate AI-driven insights. Adhere to strict data privacy regulations and security measures. Protecting sensitive customer information is not only ethical but also legally required in many jurisdictions. Prepare your data for AI analysis by performing pre-processing tasks like normalization, feature engineering, and outlier detection. These steps enhance the quality and relevance of data for AI algorithms. Utilize data storage solutions that ensure easy accessibility for AI tools. Cloud-based storage and database systems often provide flexibility and scalability. Establish data governance policies to maintain data integrity and consistency over time. This involves defining roles and responsibilities for data management. In essence, data collection and preparation are the foundational steps that pave the way for AI to deliver valuable insights and recommendations for maximizing online earnings. By investing time and effort in this phase, businesses can unlock the full potential of AI in their revenue optimization endeavors. In the pursuit of maximizing online earnings with the aid of artificial intelligence, AI, algorithm implementation emerges as a crucial step. This fourth point elaborates on the significance of implementing AI algorithms and how they contribute to the optimization of online revenue streams. The journey begins by choosing the right AI algorithms that align with your specific online earnings goals. AI offers a diverse toolbox, including machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing algorithms, each tailored to various tasks. AI algorithms require training under prepared data to learn patterns and relationships. This process is integral to their ability to make informed predictions and recommendations. Tailor algorithms to your unique business needs. This may involve fine-tuning parameters or customizing models to suit your particular industry or audience. Implement AI-powered automation to streamline tasks such as customer segmentation, content personalization, or dynamic pricing. This not only enhances efficiency but also ensures a consistent and data-driven approach. AI is dynamic and can adapt to changing circumstances. Implement mechanisms for continuous learning, allowing algorithms to improve over time as they encounter new data. While AI can provide powerful insights, it's essential to ensure that these insights are interpretable and actionable. Understandable results enable you to make informed decisions based on AI-generated recommendations. Regularly monitor algorithm performance and evaluate their impact on your online earnings. This feedback loop is essential for refinement and optimization. By effectively implementing AI algorithms, businesses can harness the full potential of AI to make data-driven decisions, personalize user experiences, and optimize their online strategies, ultimately maximizing their online earnings. In the journey of maximizing online earnings with artificial intelligence, AI, the fifth point, continuous monitoring and optimization, holds a pivotal role. It involves the ongoing process of ensuring that AI strategies remain effective and aligned with your revenue goals. Establish key performance indicators that reflect your online earnings objectives. These metrics may include conversion rates, click-through rates, revenue per visitor, or customer retention rates. Employ real-time monitoring tools to track the performance of AI-driven strategies. This allows you to swiftly identify any anomalies or deviations from expected results. Implement A/B testing to compare AI-optimized approaches with previous strategies. This controlled experimentation provides valuable insights into the effectiveness of AI in driving revenue. Establish feedback loops that encourage users to provide input or rate their experiences. These insights can inform adjustments to AI algorithms and strategies. Continuously refine AI algorithms based on the data collected and user feedback. This iterative process ensures that AI remains aligned with your business goals. Recognize that the online landscape evolves. Be prepared to adapt AI strategies to address changing user behaviors, market trends, and technological advancements. As your online presence grows, ensure that AI strategies can scale accordingly to accommodate increased data volume and user interactions. Continuous monitoring and optimization are not one-time activities but rather an ongoing commitment to refining AI-powered strategies. By staying vigilant and adaptable, businesses can sustain their success in maximizing online earnings with AI. In conclusion, the power of artificial intelligence in maximizing online earnings is undeniable. With the right tools, knowledge, and strategies, you can unlock incredible potential for growth in your online ventures. But remember, this journey doesn't end here. The world of AI is ever evolving, and staying informed and adaptive is the key to sustained success. Don't miss out on future insights, tips, and in-depth guides. Subscribe to our channel now and join our community of online earners who are embracing the future with open arms. By subscribing, you'll ensure you're always at the forefront of AI-driven strategies for maximizing your online earnings. Together, we'll continue to explore, learn, and thrive in this dynamic digital landscape. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the future of online earnings.